If you remember from the last video, we talked about the fact that Mercury and Venus would be terrible, terrible places to live. But it's okay, because God made the Earth perfect for life. Earth is my favorite planet, and it's super cool because it's kind of like this giant spaceship that's carrying all of us on this epic journey through space. Now I know it can be a little bit hard to kind of, visualize it like that from here on the surface, but if we go out into space and we zoom out away from the Earth, then you can see just how tiny it is compared to our solar system. You can also see the path that it takes around the sun, which takes 1 year to complete. Now, if you watched the sun video, you'll remember that the Earth is about 93 million miles away from the sun, which is the perfect distance because if it was any closer, it would be too hot and life wouldn't be able to live. And if it was any further away, it would be too cold, and again, a lot of life would die. See, God had a plan when He made the Earth. He knew exactly what creatures He would put on it, and He put it at exactly the right distance away from the sun for all of those creatures, including us, to be able to live. If you take a look at Genesis chapter 1 in your trail book or Bible, you'll see that God made the earth perfect for us even before He made us. See, on the first day, God made the earth as this giant ball of water. The whole thing was just ocean. Then on the second day, God made the air and put the clouds in the sky. So the earth had an atmosphere now, but it still did not have land. But it's alright because God fixed that on the third day when He made land. See, the Earth is the only planet in the solar system with this perfect combination of land, water, and atmosphere. And it's a really good thing that God made it that way because if He hadn't, we would not be able to survive. So without water to drink, you would die in just a couple days. And without land to walk on, you would drown in the ocean in just a couple of hours. And without air to breathe, you would suffocate in just a couple seconds. Not to mention the fact that the air protects us from the sun's radiation, and without that, if you were to walk outside on a sunny day, you would get a sunburn in a couple of seconds. See, God knew we needed all of these things when He created the earth, even though He had not created us yet. That's because God always has a plan, and we can trust that His plan is going to work out in the end, even if we can't understand it.